Hi, I'm Jared Purkey. I'm the Business Operations Manager for California Aqua Pros. I'm the fourth generation in the industry in pools, ponds, waterfalls, and full backyard remodel across the Bay Area. We've been in the water feature industry since 1993, and Greg and Marlo, the owners, have a combined 60 years of experience. Our wealth of knowledge and generational knowledge really helps provide quality that is unparalleled in our industry. We ensure quality, and it starts with the owner going out and doing quality checks on all jobs that we're currently working on. Some jobs, if we're just doing a small fountain or a pondless waterfall, might take about a week. And then we have larger jobs that are those big backyard remodels that can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months. And so clearly communicating to our clients what those next steps are really helps them predict what the future is going to be and feel comfortable knowing that we know exactly what we're doing and exactly where we're going to be going. On the water feature side of our business, we are Master CAC certified with Aquascape. Last year we were ranked number 16 in the nation out of 500 plus Aquascape certified contractors in our area. On the pool and spa side of our company, we consistently attend Pentair trainings and Jandy trainings as our two preferred brands to install. Our consistent training helps customers make best decisions for the products that they want to use. So Greg went to the customer's house and completed a bid for a pondless waterfall, and at the end the customer asked, is there anything else that you would do if it was your feature? And Greg said, I would import rock from Missouri. So that's exactly what we did. We imported beautiful Missouri limestone that really tied the project together and made his backyard one cohesive project. After the fact, he was so excited and happy about it that he invited the entire crew back to his house for an open house celebration of his backyard. Once your project is completed, you are now a part of the California Aqua Pros family, and we're here for the long haul. We firmly believe every company has just 3 things that they can compete on. It's customer service, price, and quality. We compete very highly on quality and customer service. Our response times are very quick, and we have the best quality in the industry. Our motto at California Aqua Pros is not all ponds are created equal, so let's build the best one for you.